Imagine this, a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store and within seconds they receive a personalized WhatsApp message confirming everything. Sounds powerful, right? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up notification in WAWP so your customer never miss an update. So let's get started. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to your WAWP. Now from the dashboard, make sure notification option is enabled. If you see this disabled, you won't access notification builder. To access the notification builder, you need to turn this on. And you'll see an option that says notification builder on the left side of your WAWP dashboard. Before moving forward, make sure in sender settings, in WhatsApp sender, your WhatsApp number is connected successfully and connection status says online. If you don't know how to do this, I have a separate video for this. Check that video first so you face no problem while building notification builder. Now, from here, simply click on notification builder. In notification builder, you have two options: expand your global reach and set up notification path trigger. Expand your global reach give you access to other languages translation. But right now we are focusing on WAWP simply. This is a separate add-on for WAWP which we will discuss in further any other video. Right now, simply click on new notification button you see here. Now you have access the notification builder settings. You need to change these settings according to yourself. The very first option is trigger event. This means under what condition this notification will be sent. By default, it is user login, but I need to change it to whenever someone places an order on my website. For that, click on drop down. And now from order status, click on processing. As I'm running WooCommerce store and whenever any person places an order on my website, my order status changes to processing. If your order status changes to any other status, you can select that trigger event. Now we have waiting time option. There are two options in waiting time: instant and after a delay. I don't think so I need to explain this, but I'm going to select instant. That will be instantly sending your message after placing an order. But you can add a delay if you select after delay, and you can add delay for minute, hours or days, whatever you want. I'm going to select instant. Now there is third option that says send via. Here are three options: WhatsApp, email and WhatsApp and email. What does that mean? As you know, WAWP allows you to send notification updates via WhatsApp and email both. I have separate video to cover both connections successfully. You can check that out. And from here, you can select whether to receive in WhatsApp or email, or you can send to both. For this specific video, I'm going to select WhatsApp. Now scroll down and you'll see a fourth option that says send to. What does this do? In this, you will see three options: user, admins, user and admin. What does this do? For now, we are building a notification for customers, but you can send your notification to admins too. Right now, I'm going to select users because I want to send this message to customer only. Then here is an option that is disabled by default that says send product image. What does this do? If a customer places an order on your WooCommerce store, he will receive a notification on WhatsApp. But you can send a WhatsApp image of your product to that customer too if you enable this. I'm going to enable this because I want to send customer an image of the order he placed. And right here you will see WooCommerce filters option. What does this do? This will trigger this notification on conditional basis. You can either condition it for country filter or product filter or payment filter. By default, these are disabled. But if you enable any of these, you will see some advanced targeting options which we will cover in detail separately in any other video. For now, I'm going to click on Save All Settings. But hey, wait a minute. We haven't set a message for customer. How will they receive a message if we haven't set that? Don't worry, I'm going to add that message right now. Now you'll see an option that says Edit Templates. Simply click on that. And here you have an option of WhatsApp message. You can write a new message here, or you can simply copy and paste message you have written earlier by using WhatsApp text formatter. You can write a new message here and you can access parameters from here too. But right now I have written a message earlier. I have copied paste that and simply going to click on Finish and Save. Now we have built our first notification for the customer. So how's customer going to receive this message? Before that, go to your dashboard. Simply enable two settings. First is advanced phone field. Second is append unique message ID. What does this do? Append unique message ID will add some unique key notes in your messages that will identify to your Meta account that this is a new message, and this will prevent the chances of your number blocking. And advanced phone field will add an option to your checkout field to add your WhatsApp number. What does the settings of this message do? We will cover this in a separate video. Right now you simply need to enable this. Now to test whether our notification is working or not, for that simply go to your website and place an order. Right now I'm going to place Aloha Surfboard. Fill all the details here, and here you can see a field name phone where you need to enter your phone number, and valid phone number will be added here, and an order has been placed. Now let's go back to your WhatsApp and check if we have received any notification or not. And here in WhatsApp you can check, Hi Salman. That's what I have written. Your order number with amount, that is the amount, is confirmed. Thank you for shopping with us. And here it is the unique ID and message ID that we append. And here is the image of the product we have ordered. Perfect. Everything is set up perfectly. That's how simple it is to set up notification with WAWP. If you haven't tried WAWP yet, use my special link in the description to test it out, and don't forget to apply the coupon code to get 30% off right now. And also check out my previous videos to link WhatsApp number or to test WhatsApp text formatter to master this setup. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to master the WAWP. Stay tuned. I'll see you in next video.